Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the short story that we're about to read is based on the true story. My friend Konstantin Rychlewski, who is the witness of the story, he lived at the time at Czech Republic. He will read you the short story.
The Czech Magpie Thief. Epigraph. The most powerful symptom of love is tenderness, which becomes at times almost insupportable. Victor Hugo. Prologue. Legend has it that magpies have a fondness of shiny objects. But in 1999, in Czech Republic, one clever professor discovered just how true this was when he began feeding them farina. What started as a simple act of kindness soon turned into a full-blown heist, as the magpies began bringing him rings and other gold jewelry in exchange for their daily meal. The professor couldn't believe his luck, but little did he know that the birds were just as shrewd as he was. And so the story of Czech Magpie Thief was born, a tale of love, tenderness, and unexpected consequences. In 1999, in Czech Republic, a clever professor of biology began feeding magpies with farina. To his surprise, the birds began bringing him rings and